NUKK stock analysis and NUKK stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Nukkleus stock is sitting at $51.21. It's 2.58% up. So where are we heading next? What I'm going to do is just like say that, yes, I'm looking to still take things higher, but with a grain of salt. I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and as a result gotten thousands of web predictions. With NUKK specifically, I just need to see a confirmation that, like a clean double break on the 1-minute chart in order for me to buy. And I saw the first break, second break is just way too high. I don't even think it's going to be enough for me to have like at least 1-3 risk to reward, but that's completely fine. Like with me, I'll still keep it there, like where it was, and not change anything. Tomorrow, like post market, it's a little bit lower, but we're definitely gonna, I'm definitely gonna observe tomorrow and see what's gonna be happening there. But surely I'll keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.